This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. 2018. This one here, I gotta go do an annual on a couple of gas furnaces, and it's kind of like a condominium type of thing. And they're old gas furnaces. I've worked on one other one in that complex before, and I had to pull it out. I mean, the fan was just like choked with dust. So go over there, check the filters, and maybe check the fan, make sure it's not all full of dust and dust bunnies, and get it up and running. Check the combustion type of thing. There's two of them over there, and we'll do one at a time. A couple of different apartments, but I know they're all systems. We'll see what happens.
In 1.5 miles.
Pull this stuff out of here and see what's going on with it. There's a filter in there, 16 by 20. We'll see what it looks like. Pilot's on, but she's not coming on. It's kind of odd. The power's on. Oh yeah, look at that filter. Yeehaw. Not good. I don't know why it's not coming on. Look at that. Yeehaw. I wonder what the fan looks like. It is on. I got no power at this transformer. So I don't know if there's any 110 coming in here or not. It ain't good. That was off. Look at the dust bunnies in there. I'm gonna clean it the best I can. I'm gonna put a new belt on it. Oh, look at the belt. Yeehaw! Try to do the best I can with cleaning it. We'll oil the motor and put it back in. Look at the belt. That's bad. I did a dry clean out here the best I could. put a new belt on it. I'm gonna have to run out and get another filter for it. I got it pretty clean. A lot cleaner than it was, that's for damn sure. I really need a hose, but I really didn't get a hose here. So that's the best it's gonna get. I mean, look at all that stuff. That's all dust. Look at a pile of shit that come out of there. Unbelievable. Let me get this back in and I'll go run out and get some filters for her. I've never been oiled in years. Never been oiled. Alright guys, I got the fan back in, I got it oiled. I just have to connect those two wires, but look at the dust I pulled out of there. I just connect these two wires with some wire nuts. I just gotta run out and get some filters for it. Look at this thing, I mean, they're bad. That's what I pulled out of the cabinet. See, it's a dust bunny. For some filters, and I got some extra. I bought a couple extra belts. I do stock belts there, so I did have a couple in the truck, but I grabbed a couple of different ones. Hello, Mrs. Molly. Push over. Come on. We gotta go back and get that system going. Check it out. Make sure it's good. See the carbon right there? I'm gonna pull that other burner out. This one screw that goes right in there. I'm gonna do a good cleaning with my brush here. See the carbon. That's from the pilot. Not a lot, just a little bit. Nothing major. Alright, I got them all back in, and you can adjust the ear bands here. See these ear bands? I usually open them up. We can adjust it if we want. Well, we'll see how it fires. They were kind of closed a little bit like that when I got here, so we'll try it like that. And we'll check the combustion. See what it's like. We'll get our meter up in there and we'll run it. Kind of weird, things just floating in the wind there. Kind of a shitty design. We'll run it and we'll check it. Check the combustion. Sounding a lot better than it did before. cell's good. This thing's got 2 cells. Put it on the other cell on there. It wouldn't have been a bad idea. I left an extra filter here for him. It wouldn't have been a bad idea to check this before I did all that extra work. But worked out. Safe to run. PPM's under 50 there, that's what I'm not really concerned about. Alright guys, so clean burner, clean blower, assembly, new belt, oiled motor, clean burners, and the combustion test obviously. Just have to put all this stuff, all this metal back in there, Christmas tree boxes. Go up to the next one upstairs. I don't really like the way this thing fits in there. Flipping, flopping in the wind there. That's it. That's how it fits. It's down all the way. It's an old unit, man. Still running. Safe to run. Not the most efficient thing in the world, that's for sure. It is 12-inch flex right off the top. Unbelievable. A filter. That's bad. I went up to the third floor, and it's locked. I can't get in. She don't have a key, so I gotta come back. Nasty stuff.